Hey everyone, it's me Suchita. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today is the second video of the Teaching Abroad series. In this video, as in the last video, you already find out that which country you want to target. Now in this video, I'm going to cover how to start applying to that particular country. So without delaying, let's start today's video. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any new upcoming video. Without delaying, let's move to the video. So I have divided the video into 5 points. The first point is you need to figure out which curriculum you want to teach. Yes, there are all the curriculum schools available in almost all the countries. Are you comfortable teaching CBSE, IGCSE, IB, what, or maybe the local curriculum? So as per your experience, you can judge which curriculum you are comfortable. And I'll tell you, if you will target like Indian curriculum schools, so the pay will be little less in every country. If you will target some IB or IGCSE curriculum schools, so the pay will be like in the medium range as per the country. Now if you will target the local curriculum which is popular over there, and there will be many schools related to that curriculum, then the pay will be at the good level. So you need to figure out which school you want to target. Now once you will understand, for example, I was comfortable with all the curriculums. I had experience of around 8 to 10 years, and I did work with many curriculum, American curriculum, IGCSE, CBSE, IB. So I was fine. Whatever curriculum school I will get, I will survive over there. So that's how you need to set your priorities as per your confidence and your experience. So the first step is covered. Now I'm moving to the second step. Second step, you need to go to the Google. I will share a screenshot here if I'm able to find out. You need to type out, for example, you are looking for a job in New Zealand or maybe Dubai. So you will write down list of this curriculum school in Dubai. So that's how you need to type. You will get the name of all the schools. Now you need to copy all the names and paste them there in an Excel sheet or Word, wherever you are comfortable. Now you have the list of maybe 100, 200 schools in front of you. Now you need to take the one name. For example, for the coming 10 days, you have to apply to those schools. So you will take one name one by one, go to Google, paste the name of the school, go to their website, check out in the career option. There will be a mail given over there, mail ID, where you need to send the resume. Or many schools do have apply here, like the form is available at the website itself. So that's how you need to go to the individual schools. Now you will say it's a very long process. I do understand things are not easy, but believe me, it hardly take for you. Just make it as a routine. I was working with the school and I was applying every day in the evening, 1 hour, and you will be sorted. So that's how you will target every school. Third point is, now you know the country. Now you need to register yourself with the job search engines. Go to Google, find out which are the job search engines, teaching job search engines in that country. Find out their name, go to their website, register yourself, upload your CV over there. So that's all, because job search engines, they are getting the money, the fees from the employer in every country, and in the foreign countries they do prefer to hire the candidates from those, because those job search engines will do a background research. They will ask you to submit the documents and all, and they will prioritize the candidates. So do register yourself at the job search engine. Now the next point is LinkedIn. LinkedIn play a very good role when you will start applying for the teaching job abroad. What you have to do, you have to maintain your LinkedIn profile. You mention all your qualification, complete the profile, write down there, I'm open for job opportunities in that particular country. And then what you have to do, you have to start adding people. You will search the name of the schools of that country in LinkedIn, try to add people in your LinkedIn profile, and you will see after few days you will start seeing the advertisement of the teaching job from that country. Plus many recruiter will search out the LinkedIn profile. They reach out the LinkedIn profile who are really open to work in that country. So that's how you need to make a connection, or you need to reach out to people who are already working. That's how you will able to figure out what all job requirement are there in that country. So these are the steps you follow. I'm sure if you will do all this within 6 months or maximum year, you will land a job offer in your mail. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the third video of this series. If you like the video for whatsoever reason, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to put your questions in the comment box or DM me on the Instagram. I will answer the questions here, or I will cover in my Instagram story. So here is my Instagram handle. Do follow me there and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.